Okay.
glued together.
What steps is it going to go through?
Okay. Our initial step is gonna be, we're gonna be cutting that up with a pair of scissors, and that's gonna set off.
Scissors.
Yeah, we need scissors.
Who has the set of scissors? Okay.
Okay. And that's gonna hit. This is gonna start the first set of dominoes, and it's gonna go ooh, and it's gonna hit the marble. The marble's gonna go down here, and that's gonna start the second set of dominoes. It's gonna go ooh. and then this little marble here will go down here, and it'll hit the rat trap, and then that's gonna go, and it's gonna throw Michael Jordan, and then he's gonna be pushing
Okay, roll.
our water thingy.
Hold on, now it's not ready yet.
Yeah, we're not ready.
Sorry.
I don't want to cut it.
I don't know. It's like,
Yeah. Why do I have not
So would one be the person who says
I
that?
don't know how it
Did
is.
they use welding to watch?
Oh, she's cute.
Oh! Hit the marble.
Hit the marble,
Damn
that's
it!
off points.
Oh,
Okay.
so cute.
Alright. You would.
Okay. Brian is gonna drop the paintball. Paintball is gonna hit the mousetrap. It's gonna flip this lever. The baseball is gonna go down and hit the little softball thing, and it's gonna pull on the strings, and the hammer's gonna staple this
Okay,
down.
ball's hitting the mouse trap. The mouse trap's doing what? Hitting the
Lever. The little lever thing.
trap lever.
And then the lever is going to lift.
It's in the tape thing behind Kim.
Lever is gonna lift the baseball. The baseball is gonna go down the ramp, hit the little softball thing.
Oh, there's a
Hold
baseball
on.
and a softball.
The baseball's hitting the softball.
It's gonna go down the ramp and hit the softball thing.
Well, the ramp moving how it gets there doesn't count.
Okay.
Hit softball.
And then
What's the softball gonna
The
do?
softball's
softball
gonna drag the
pulls the
string.
string for the pulling.
So, which does what? Because it's
Which-
the action that gets you the
it flips, it trips out the wood.
softball, moves wood.
And then the wood drops hammer, and the hammer is gonna staple. Hopefully. Hopefully.
It looks like the hammer's
Hold on.
Yeah, it looks kind of far
So
away.
then the hammer hits stapler. Oh yeah,
And staple
Wood.
goes through paper.
drops
No, it's just
Hopefully.
No, it looks fine from my angle.
It's all gonna work
Hammer.
with stapling. We had that problem this weekend. Yeah. Why is it working? Stapling. Oh.
You tell her.
Yeah! I want to see it staple in the.
What?
Oh, I missed it.
This thing slowly tips because of the
What
onset
balloon?
of the weight. And then the ball falls down.
Hold on. Ramp tips. Dropping ball.
I see
Okay.
no balloon.
Okay, then the ball goes down the ramp and hits this little trigger, causing this container to move forward and the cereal to spill into the bowl. At the same time, the ball goes through
Hold
this-
on. Trigger. Trigger releases cereal.
Yeah.
Sorry, you can hand me.
And
the
it goes
dimensions.
down the ramp and into the bowl.
I hate you, Shane.
Okay, cereal goes in the bowl.
Then after that, the ball goes through this little hole here, and then goes down more ramps. And then it hits this little trigger that pushes the spoon into the bowl for the last step.
Why not?
Hits
I'm disappointed.
spoon and bowl. Did you think you had all 10 steps?
Yeah.
It's down.
It's 6. So we'll go back through it in a minute. Because it's not the action and that cutting doesn't count. Initial one.
Both are smurfs. Are these scissors really sharp?
Oh. Mess.
Does that discount?
Yes, that
No.
takes away the
Well, it doesn't have to be a clean bowl. Siri.
Oh.
Yay!
Hold on.
It's kind of hard when you don't have a partner here.
Okay.
Pull on the weight.
Hold on. I can't. Hold on. I write while you do. So. Okay. Tom.
Anyways,
Okay.
pull on the weight. Weight pulls the cup up, releasing the marble down the chute, hitting the dominoes, setting off the mouse trap, releasing the trap door, which releases the weight onto the other weight, hitting the lever, hitting the ball goes down the lamp, hits the pop bottle thingy down here, pulling the letter through, and hopefully opening the
And how
lever.
many steps do you say you have?
8? 7 or 8, I forget. 7 or
There's
8.
8.
So who wants to pull on the weight?
Nope. You get to. Let's go.
Pull on the weight, pull the weight down, sir. Pull the weight down.
I'm gonna back up.
Huh?
Okay. Hit it.
Oh, it didn't hate your sign. Hate your sign.
Is
the candle blower outer. I'm not sure how to count the steps because I get mixed up with the,
Just tell us what each step's
Okay,
gonna do.
so this is gonna go down this tube, which is gonna hit this little bucket thing, causing the stick up here to knock the marbles into this bucket. The pulley's pulling up the balloon with the water in it, which goes down this tube, which this has toilet paper in it, so when the toilet paper gets wet, it's gonna knock the weight down, which pulls this up, and this having the rubber bands on it is gonna fling this, and the pulley's gonna pull this down. The marbles gonna come down, hit the mousetrap. Mousetrap, and Nino's gonna pop the balloon and blow the candle out.
Okay.
I doubt this is gonna work, but with the faith of my fellow students, I hope it does.
Yay!
I don't want to do it because I know it's not gonna
You're
work.
supposed to say work.
Just do it.
It will. It'll work. Let's go.
Look into the lens.
Okay, help it out where it needs to. Okay. Just move
Okay,
the,
that's the first time. This is the only thing that has.
just move the bucket, yeah.
Oh,
Okay. Hit,
we had that problem for a while too. Yeah.
These are supposed to pop. Oh, she stopped recording.
okay.
Me neither.
Keep going.
Good idea.
That was cute.
Keep going.
You put that out.
Oh,
I'll walk off.
Yeah, that's the only way we're gonna work.
Keep going. Okay, set your mouth.
No, I'm scared. I don't want it to hit me.
Yeah, careful.
I don't want it to hit.
No, I'm so mad because
I'm afraid the needle's gonna go flying and hit Solaf. So Solaf, I prefer.
Here, here's bigger marble.
You're not at eye level.
Here.
Sorry. Oh,
Here, get a pencil. Yeah, set it off with a pencil.
Oh, Jackie. Go, Jackie.
Get a pencil. Get a pencil.
Yeah, we didn't do it.
Okay, the candle's burning.
You keep missing it. You're missing it.
give me the marble.
Someone's not scared.
Use a pencil. Use a pencil.
Set it off. Bam.
Down the track, hits this lever, which is connected by a string to a nail. The nail pulls out of the tube. The ball bearing is released. Hits the mouse trap, which spins the carousel, which pulls another pin that releases the pirate ship. It hits over the container with the golf ball in it. The golf ball falls into the cup of the seesaw. The seesaw pulls another pin that's holding this elevator. The elevator drops down, spins the Ferris wheel. The Ferris wheel pulls the latch, which releases that trap door, which lets the bowling ball hit the
How many
top
do you
can.
say you have?
I had around 11 or 12.
I had 11 and I counted. So you disagree with it? Holy. Well, by having the extra credit, it helps if you have to make up any. If you have to touch.
Oh.
Yay!
Okay. We have to know what the steps are.
Alright.
Alright.
Then put your hand here.
Alright, the first step is we're gonna pull on the string,
Okay.
which sets this marble coming down this ramp. It's gonna hit the dominoes, and then it's gonna hit this wooden block. Make that big marble fall through the tissue paper. It's gonna go down these bottles. It's gonna hit the lock. The lock's gonna hit the lever down there. The lever's gonna hit this and set off the rubber band. To hit the car will fall and hit the stick that they're setting up. Hit the stick that they're setting up. And it's gonna pop the balloon. There's like, I don't know, give it 16 marbles in there, 20. And the marble's gonna fall into the basket. The basket's gonna pull the bottle up and pour it in.
So you have 12 steps.
Something like that.
There's more steps on the other side, Shane. You might want to go on the other side.
So was this project fun?
Yes.
Way
This project,
Fun that we didn't even
this project almost made me kill Tom Slime at his own house.
And burn my house down. And burn my house.
And burn his house down.
Well, at least you weren't talking about keying the car.
Hey, I was gonna go get Shane Lee's street over and go key his car. Go ahead, Cash. He did kick me.
You got that on tape.
My dad will appreciate right there.
I did. Go.
Shut up.
Okay, hold on. You've got plenty of points for your back.
What are you doing? Whoa.
I'm sorry. It's in recording.
I call for a measurement. No. One of the things didn't hit the
Smash this movement.
Good job.
No,